Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video I'm going to show you how to make homemade Thousand Island dressing. It's really simple. You're just going to need a few ingredients for the base, and then there's some other optional ingredients that you can add, and I'll have that all down in the description. And I'm also going to show you how to make a keto-friendly version of this. I'll tell you how to do that also. It's also going to be pretty simple. So basically what we're going to need for the base is you're going to need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, and the other optional ingredients you might want to use will be a tablespoon of lemon juice and a half teaspoon of paprika. And like I said, I'll have that down in the description. And if you want to make this into a keto-friendly Thousand Island dressing, what you need to do is you need to switch out the regular ketchup for sugar-free ketchup, and that'll make it keto-friendly because, of course, fat from the mayonnaise is what you want on the keto diet and the dressing. You want high fat, good fat, and that comes from the mayonnaise. And you cut out the carbs, which this recipe doesn't really have a whole lot of carbs anyway, but you'll make them even less by removing the regular ketchup and using sugar-free ketchup on the keto version. So basically, you need to add these ingredients, and then the next thing we're going to do is just take a spoon, and blend everything really well, and you'll see it starting to take on that kind of a pinkish orange color that you see. So pretty easy, and most of the ingredients for this you'll probably have in your refrigerator already. And once again, that's a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pickle relish, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And then you can use it right away if you want to. This will serve about 4 to 6 people. Or the best thing to do a lot of times when you make these dressings or cocktail sauce or anything like that, or even like soups, you might want to let them sit overnight in the refrigerator and serve them later. It just lets the food and the ingredients all kind of meld together and just makes it taste a little bit better. But you can serve it right away if you want to. So anyways, this is how you make homemade Thousand Island dressing, and also how you can make a keto-friendly version of Thousand Island dressings. So if you haven't had a chance yet to subscribe to our channel, if you please think about doing that now, that'd be great. Or give us a like or give us a comment. We really would appreciate that. And once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers, and we hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.